Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the stone bath mat by MONDANO trademark. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. It says eco-friendly material. And it says our bath stone is made from diatomaceous earth, which is naturally absorbent, soft and gentle on your skin. This eco-friendly product will help keep your bathroom smelling fresh and dry. MONDANO technology help prevent warping and cracking for long use. Stone bath mat, anti-slip mesh guard plus sanding tool. Anyway, my son purchased this for the Mother's Day, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, let me get my knife. God, what kind of package is this? By the way, this one is pretty expensive. I think it's about 50 something bucks. So what the? Activate your 365-day free warranty now. So I see 150 grit sandpaper. And this one probably the anti-slip mat, yeah. So you put this on the bottom and put this on top. Hopefully it's going to be comfortable. So I'm not sure if this is going to scratch the tile or not. Not sure this just sand it or what. So here's a little how to use instruction. It's easy. Prior to first use, rinse the bath stone under water to remove any dust. Then leave to dry before use. Be sure to place an anti-slip mesh under the stone mat on flat ground with nothing else underneath. Our unique anti-slip design helps you when entering or exiting the bathtub. Needing no tool or tape, then simply step on to our MONDANO bath stone and watch it rapidly absorb water away, leaving your feet and bathroom dry. That's it. And here's a care instruction. And eco-friendly, rapid evaporation, multi-use design, and long-lasting stone, anti-slip, exceptional absorption. And it is made in China. test. It's absorbed and dried up pretty fast. Look at that. Nice. Does it worth $50? 50 something bucks? Probably not. It's kind of small compared to the one that we already have. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.